Welcome to another Analysis Cloud demo video.
Alright, let's talk about something that might sound a little boring but could seriously mess up your day if you're not prepared. Microsoft has officially announced that it's pulling the plug on VBScript. For those of you who don't know, VBScript or Visual Basic Script is an old-school scripting language that's been baked into Windows for decades. It was the go-to tool for automating tasks, managing systems, and even some light web stuff. But its time is up. Microsoft is deprecating it, which is the corporate way of saying they're putting it out to pasture. This isn't just a small update. It means any scripts you, your company, or some ancient program you forgot about are using will eventually just stop working. It's a big deal. The process has already started, and if you're not paying attention, you could be in for a world of hurt. Imagine one day your login scripts fail, your custom admin tools break, or a critical part of your business process just gives up the ghost. Microsoft isn't just flipping a switch and turning VBScript off overnight, which is a good thing. They've laid out a three-phase plan to ease everyone into this transition. Think of it as slowly turning down the volume until it's completely silent. The first phase, which actually started back in the second half of 2024, made VBScript an on-demand feature. This means that on new Windows 11 machines, it's not even installed by default anymore. You have to go into the Windows settings and manually enable it if you need it. For existing systems, it remained enabled for now. This was the first shot across the bow, a clear sign new deployments shouldn't rely on it. The second phase is the big one, and it's happening right now, around this time in 2025. VBScript will be disabled by default on all systems via a regular Windows update. This is when things start breaking for people who weren't prepared. Your old login scripts your custom tools. If they're still using VBScript, they will fail to run. You can still manually re-enable it via Features on Demand, but it's temporary. It's a wake-up call to find and replace lingering scripts before the final phase. The third and final phase is the point of no return. Starting sometime in 2027 or later, Microsoft will completely remove the VBScript engine from Windows. There will be no way to turn it back on. The feature will be gone, files deleted, and any file will either do nothing or throw an error. Any org that hasn't migrated to a modern alternative like PowerShell JavaScript will be in serious trouble. There won't be a workaround. VBScript will be officially extinct. This timeline is both generous and aggressive. It gives us a few years, but time flies in IT. A friend in enterprise IT, call him Dave, said, 2027 sounds far away. So why is Microsoft going through all this trouble to kill off a tool that's been part of Windows for so long? The biggest reason, without a doubt, is security. VBScript is old. Its design comes from an era when the internet was much friendlier. It has been a favorite toy for malware creators for years. Because it's a scripting engine built into the OS, it's an easy target. Attackers have used it to write malicious scripts hidden in emails, hidden in documents, hidden in websites to steal data, to install ransomware, or to take over your system. By removing VBScript, Microsoft is closing a huge, well-known attack vector and making the entire Windows ecosystem safer for everyone. Another major reason is that, frankly, VBScript is obsolete. Technology has moved on, and there are far better, more powerful, and more secure tools available today. The main replacement for system administration and automation tasks is PowerShell. Marketing. Side by side, VBScript code versus PowerShell script doing the same task. PowerShell can do everything VBScript could do, and so much more. It's more secure, easier to read. Microsoft also looked at the usage data. While there are pockets of heavy VBScript use in older enterprise environments, overall usage has been declining for years. Okay, so VBScript is on its way out. Panicking is not a strategy. The first thing you absolutely must do is figure out if and where you are using it. The audit phase. Start scanning your entire network. You're looking for any file with a VBS extension in network shares, login script folders in group policy, scheduled tasks, embedded in old application installers. You can use simple file search tools or PowerShell scripts to sweep servers and client machines. This is your hit list. Once you have your list, analyze what each script actually does. This can be tricky if the person who wrote the script left and didn't add comments. You'll need to open them and read the code. Is it mapping a network drive? Is it installing a printer? Is it running a daily report? You need to categorize them. Some scripts might be completely redundant. Delete them. Others will need to be rewritten. For system administration, your new best friend is PowerShell. New PS drive, name P, PS provider file system, root server, share, persist. Let's boil this all down into a simple, actionable plan so you know exactly what to do. Think of this as your VBScript retirement checklist. First and foremost, you need to act now. Don't wait until things start breaking in phase 2. Check. Find every single VBScript in your environment. Rewrite. Migrate necessary scripts to PowerShell or JavaScript. Test. Validate in staging before deployment. Clean out the digital cobwebs, improve your automation, build a more secure and efficient environment for the future. Get started today. You've got this.